What's up, everyone? So this is like my second time recording. This is the new truck.
Mommy, we see? Mom, what is it?
So we're about to go to the river. And we're gonna show you guys a little bit. Alright guys, so we're here. We're at the river. Our river's dry because of the dam in Colorado, but we're not really here for the river. We're just here to show you a little bit about the truck. But we'll go ahead and go into the dryness of the river. It's a 4x4. Not too worried. Alright, we're gonna be going up here. This way. I'm going underneath there. Alright guys, so this truck, I got it like maybe 3 weeks ago, around there, 4. Yeah, I sold my red one, and I bought this one with the money I got from my red one. But yeah, let's go ahead and look inside. I hope you guys like it. I got a lot of plans for it. But I mean, I'm open to any ideas if you guys want to drop it in the comments or anything like that. So this is what the interior looks like. It's all leather. I have my kid in the back. It's all leather. Four by four. I hope you guys like it. So that's gonna be pretty much it for today's videos, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, everyone.